Hey friends and entrepreneurs, Joel Therien here. Now no, I'm not gonna stand up, jump up and down, and tell you you're gonna make $1 million in network marketing this year. I hate the hype train. Network marketing isn't perfect, but it's better than anything else out there. What I am good at is putting myself out there and building teams. Over the past 18 years, I've built a company called GVO that is a healthy 8-figure business per year. Why is that? Because I think people appreciate my non-hype approach, they appreciate my honesty and integrity in this industry. In 1998, like most people, I decided I wanted to make a change in my life. I went to university in exercise physiology and got actually, you know what? I didn't even get a degree. I was 1 credit short of getting my degree in cardiac rehabilitation, but I got a really good job at the Montfort Hospital in Ottawa, Canada, doing cardiac stress testing. Now, despite learning how the human body worked, it was absolutely fascinating to me. You know, how the heart worked and how it worked with the rest of the body. And I actually did a degree, or again, 1 credit short of my degree in cardiac stress testing, because every single person in my family above me had died of heart attacks. So I wanted to be able to first and foremost help people. So the education part was fascinating. Then I got into the dreaded job. I took people, put them on the treadmill, put the electrodes on their chest, did their electrocardiogram, sent them home. I did the same thing day in and day out for 7 months until I quickly discovered I wasn't gonna be able to go where I wanted to go by helping other people and honestly making more money. My colleagues who had been there for 25 years were making $4,000 more than I was. Not just that, it was utterly boring. So I quit my job. My mom cried like a fiend because she was conservative in mindset, and so I started my entrepreneurial journey. I wanted to become an online network marketer. And let me tell you, I almost failed and I almost quit many times. In my first 2 years, I didn't make a single penny. Now, everybody in my family was laughing. Everybody was telling me, told you so, Joel. And most of all, everybody was telling me to get a job. Just didn't sound appealing to me. Thankfully, after 2 years, I made my first sale for $9.97 online, and it happened at 3:30 in the morning. I woke up the next day absolutely ecstatic. I thought, wow, I was sleeping, I leveraged technology, I made money while I was asleep. I was jumping up and down all over the place, ecstatic, now telling everybody else, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. And my mother looked back at me and she said, Joel, you have a child on the way and $9.97 is not gonna pay your mortgage. And she was right, but I didn't care because now all I had to do is figure out how to take that $9.97, replicate it 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times. Long story short, and thankful to a lot of the things that I've learned and a blessing in God, I was able to build an amazing business, still called today GVO. That business has been running since 1998 till now, almost 19 years later. The success of GVO has been centered around a few key components. Number one, it is an opportunity, but you do not have a great opportunity if you don't have amazing products in the marketplace that are competitively priced and people are used to paying for. That's number one. Number two, I never borrowed a single penny from anybody, so we didn't have dictators. What's a dictator? A dictator is an investor who tells you where your company's going. That's never happened with GVO. And now, with our new venture coming out now, our first true consumer-to-business product called Now Lifestyle, we will never have investors either. So now we've got a great brand new opportunity that is my biggest passion, combined with 18 years of experience and success with my team. So Now Lifestyle is a health and wellness brand, a true business-to-consumer product that's absolutely going to explode in the marketplace. I'm passionate about this industry because I nearly became a professional natural bodybuilder in my younger years until I got massive aspartame poisoning. Aspartame poisoning is the artificial sweetener that's found in many diet soft drinks and supplements. Back then, I was trying to maintain 4% body fat because I was competing a lot and I was on a lot of fitness and health magazines. The reason I tell you this is even though I have 18 years of combined network marketing experience online, I also have 33 years experience in health and wellness, combined with my education and my practical. Now Lifestyle will be by far in the next 2 years, the largest health and wellness brand, both on and offline. I'm looking for friends and partners right now who see the vision of how big this industry is. You combine with the success that we've had already, and we're just gonna reach for the stars. Now, the success isn't just about me, it's about others. We've been very blessed, and so have our affiliates. We've created many millionaires. Here's a picture of Tissa Godavatani receiving a free BMW M3. Or here's a great video script of one of my great friends, Russell Brunson, receiving a free Ferrari at one of our Vegas events. Or take a quick listen now to Stone Evans, who made over $300,000 with us in just a few short months.
Hey Joel, Stone Evans here, coming to you from my new backyard in the beautiful south of France. And I'm recording this video just to sincerely thank you for the opportunities you provide online, which have given me the chance to pursue my dreams in life. In fact, I've earned over $300,000 with you in just the last few months, and you've opened the doors for me and my family to live where we want, to pursue what we want, and it's all because of the opportunities and the support you provide.
And that's part of the culture of the Now Lifestyle brand. We want to live life on your terms. You want to love what you're doing every single day, and I've been blessed to do that for the past 18 years. And you want to laugh so hard every single day because your life's simply just one big party with you and your family. So our whole health and wellness package combines 5 memberships for you and your family. That doesn't mean it has to be your immediate family members. It could be aunts, uncles, cousins. It doesn't matter. We want to share the love, we want to share the excitement, and we want to have a really good time doing it. Why is that? Well, business is no fun if you're not enjoying your business. It absolutely has to be a passion. And this is my biggest passion yet. With GVO and creating technology products like web hosting and domain registrations and video hosting and conferencing software and email marketing tools, my passion centered around that was leveraging technology to help other people build their business and create a residual income from home. With Now Lifestyle, I get to help people with their health and wellness, and with our automation tools, leverage technology so that they can spend more time laughing and having fun with their friends and family. There's no point in running a business if you're working 80 hours per week. With a health and wellness Now Lifestyle brand, we're a big believer in a healthy body creates a healthy mind, but if you're still working 8 hours a week, that's no fun either. With our automation and leverage tools like our autoresponder and template builder, you'll be able to use technology to build your business for you. So now you'll have great health, great wealth, and a lot of time freedom to work on your relationships and just have a good old time with your friends and family. Isn't that what life's supposed to be about? That's why I'm so excited about this opportunity. In closing, my friends, when you see the 18 years experience and success that we've had for ourselves and our affiliates with GVO, we have an exceptional brand new opportunity that is one of the biggest markets in the world today, the health and wellness industry. When you combine my 33 years experience as an athlete, combined with my university education in exercise physiology and cardiac rehab, we have a real winner here. We're looking for dedicated people who see our vision, who can pre-enroll now and get started building and leveraging teams. Nothing can be more fun than helping and educating people to live healthier and longer lives, and helping them leverage technology so that the business works for them and they don't work for the business. Who doesn't want to live? Who doesn't want to laugh? And who doesn't want to love more with their friends and family? And that's what Now Lifestyle is all about.